extra English practice. Hi everybody and welcome to EAP. Today we're going to talk about possessives, which are words that show ownership.
We're going to start with possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives come before a noun. So for example, I could say, these are my glasses. The possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Now remember that its as a possessive adjective doesn't have an apostrophe. No. This is a common mistake for native English speakers too. Remember, with an apostrophe, it apostrophe s, this is a contraction of it is. So the possessive never has an apostrophe. It's always its.
So for example, it's sunny, it is sunny, we contract to it's sunny and there's an apostrophe. But if we're talking about my house, for example, we can talk about the roof on the house. The house's roof, its roof, no apostrophe, its roof is black.
We'll give you some more examples of possessive adjectives. For example, this is my necklace. My necklace.
That is her necklace, and these are her glasses. This is our YouTube channel. And, oh, Misha.
Yeah.
Your sweater is lovely.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. So the possessive adjective, my, your, his, her, its, our, their, goes before a noun. Always together with a noun.
The next category is possessive pronouns, which are different from possessive adjectives. You remember the possessive adjective comes before a noun, but the possessive pronoun replaces a noun or comes in the place in the sentence where a noun would normally be.
The possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. They're a little bit different from the possessive adjectives, and when you use them, you don't put a noun afterwards. So this is mine. This is my sweater, but without the noun, this is mine.
That's hers. This notebook is where we keep all of our course notes, so it's ours.
This little astronaut monkey belongs to my children. It's theirs. It's their astronaut monkey. It's theirs.
Oh, Larissa, I like your tie.
Why, thank you. It's not actually mine. It belongs to my husband. It's his.
Okay, the last form of possessive we're going to show you is the apostrophe s. We add an apostrophe in the letter s to names or nouns to show possession or ownership. So for example, we could say Misha's or Larissa's or my son's, something like that.
We can also use it with objects. So for example, the school's classrooms are very large, or the bus's seats are kind of uncomfortable. These markers have no lids. The markers' lids are missing. So in this example, we used a plural noun, markers. When you make a plural noun ending in s possessive, we use an apostrophe only. So it's the markers' lids are missing, rather than the markers' lids are missing. Another example with names. So Misha's eyes are brown, but my eyes, Larissa's eyes, are blue.
One more thing to keep in mind, when we talked about possessive adjectives, we mentioned that they have to go with a noun. Possessive pronouns can't go with a noun, but the apostrophe s is either. So I can say these are Misha's glasses or these are Misha's. Both are fine. So we've looked at 3 ways of making the possessive, either a possessive adjective like my glasses, or a possessive pronoun like these are mine, or with an apostrophe s, these are Misha's glasses. These 3 ways of making the possessive are interchangeable. So just like my example I just gave with the glasses, you can use any one of them. They're always correct There's not a particular use for one or the other. So another example, we could say, this is her shirt, this is hers, or this is Larissa's shirt. It's the same.
So we're going to play a little game to get some more practice in. We will show you an object, and you decide whether it is Misha's or Larissa's. Is it mine or is it hers? It's Misha's.
Are they my headphones or are they Larissa's?
They're mine.
Is this mine or is it hers? It's mine.
Is this my scarf? Or is it Misha's scarf? It's mine.
Is this my hat or is it Larissa's?
It's mine. Is this scarf mine?
Or is it mine? It's my scarf.
Okay, these glasses, are they mine? Or are they Misha's? They're Misha's.
Obviously. Are these my mittens?
Or are they mine? These mittens are Misha's. So is this headband mine? Or is it Misha's?
It's my headband. Is this my coat? Or is it Larissa's coat?
It's mine. Okay, so it's winter here. These earmuffs, are they mine?
Or are they my earmuffs?
They're Misha's earmuffs. We're going to give you a practice now. So look at these pictures of people and their objects and make some sentences. Try to use all three of the different ways to use possessives as adjectives and pronouns and with the apostrophe S.
Good luck.
Thanks for watching our video. We hope you learned something about possessive adjectives and pronouns and apostrophe S's today.
And if you liked our video, then share it with your friends and subscribe for more
Extra English practice.
Yeah.
Extra English practice.
Let's make some bloopers.
You can't plan a blooper! After that practice. And?
one of these
Okay,
ones.